Unlocking the mystery, the phenomenon of the red moon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating phrase, red moon. Have you ever heard this term and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we will delve deep into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the mystery together. When we break down the phrase, red moon, we have two words, red, which is a color, and moon, which is the natural satellite that orbits our Earth. Literally, a red moon refers to times when the moon appears to have a reddish tint. This phenomenon can happen during a lunar eclipse, when the Earth is positioned between the sun and the moon, causing the Earth's shadow to fall on the moon. As the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, it takes on a reddish color, which is why it is sometimes referred to as a blood moon. Beyond its literal meaning, the phrase, red moon, also holds various symbolic and cultural significances across different societies and historical periods. In some cultures, a red moon is seen as a sign of change or a harbinger of significant events. It has been featured in various literary works, poems, and art, often used to evoke a sense of mystery, change, or foreboding. Now, let's talk about how you can use red moon in your everyday English conversations. While it's not a common phrase to use in daily language, it can be used metaphorically to describe situations that are rare, unique, or signal a significant change. For example, you might hear someone say, "Seeing them together is like a red moon," implying that the occurrence is rare and significant. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the phrase, red moon. Whether you're marveling at the beauty of a lunar eclipse or using the phrase to describe a rare and significant event, the red moon is indeed a fascinating part of both our natural world and our language. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has illuminated the topic for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.